Welcome back to Shalise Bakes Cakes. As you can see, we have lots of Christmas treats in front of us today. I love Christmas candy around the holidays because it's just so festive and it's fun. So we're gonna make a cake and incorporate all this Christmas candy onto the design. I already marbled the cake, as you can see. I have a video coming and I will show you guys exactly how I did this. Let's see, what else are we gonna do today? Our little gingerbread house. I found a mini gingerbread house and I was like, this could be cute, sitting on my cake. So today, we are gonna attempt putting our gingerbread house on, and I'm gonna decorate it while it's on our cake today. So, stick with me, it's gonna be an adventure, and let's go. I'm gonna make a white drip down our cake today, and to achieve that, I'm using our bright white candy melts. Bright white, it's really important to get the bright white. If they have just normal white, but the bright white makes it so much more brighter and happier. That's how you get the white drip. Everybody always asks, how do you get this drip so white? Bright white candy melts. You mix it with 3 tablespoons of heavy cream and pop it in the microwave for about a minute. Placed my cake on this jelly roll pan, and this is a good trick when you're putting sprinkles around your cake. It catches the sprinkles because sprinkles can get really messy, so just have this pan, set it just right under the cake. It's still on my turntable, and it catches all of those stray sprinkles that like to go flying all over your kitchen. so much fun creating this Christmas candy explosion of a cake today. You guys, it was so much fun and I love Christmas time and I'm so excited. I have lots more fun coming at ya. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and push that button. Follow me on Instagram at Shalise Bakes Cakes, and remember, I have new videos up every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy watching and keep coming back.